Oh my god. Almost already leaking. Oh, man. I can smell it already. It's got a valve cover gasket leak. He say, man, if I can't buy a car from the auction, take it down the street to the light and sell it for what I bought it for, I don't want the car. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back, guys. It's gonna be a probably a quick video today. Excuse me. It's not much in here today. I literally came in here for 6 cars, so we're gonna look at these 6, and of course, you know, if I see anything else cool for you guys, I will check out those cars for you. All right, first up we got an Impala. Let's see what we got. Hold on, this thing is on my freaking wrist. Let me take this off. There we go. All right, so this is what we got here. Impala LT. Y'all seen that it was kind of dented up. It's got 159,000 miles on it. It is dirty as ever in here. If you just look at the floor and everything. I'm curious to see how it sounds, so I'm gonna crank it up just cause. Oh, it don't got power. It's nasty and dirty. Dang, he just blew all that freaking dust. Oh, god dang it. Sorry. All right. Whew, that was a lot of freaking dust that just came. But anyway, I'll be seeing that dude all the time. But anyway, let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna just go to the next car. Like I say, it's 6 cars. That was one. Let's go to the next one. All right, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know. All right, next up we got a Mazda here. I didn't really see anything. I probably could have not have came here today, but I was like, you know what, the day I might not come is the day I might see something, you know. So I just decided to come on and look. Yo, I know I'm not interested in this, but I seen a comment. What was that, yesterday? Oh, actually this morning. And it was like, man, if you don't stop buying those Hyundais, y'all still don't get it, I see. Y'all still don't get it, I see. But it's okay. It's not for everybody to get. Don't worry, it's all good. It smells horrible in here. See how dirty it is? Man. Man. We gotta go with the stuff that make money. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like my Infinity, the one I'm driving, my G25. I said I wasn't gonna get into it, but let's just go ahead and get into it, y'all. I could sell that damn Hyundai way faster than I could sell this car. Who knows why? That's your homework. Who knows why I can sell a cheaper car faster than I can sell a more expensive car and make the same amount of money or more? Because y'all remember, if y'all don't remember, I bought the Hyundai that was hit in the back. What? After I bought the G25 that I'm still driving, right? I bought it after. I fixed it after. And I sold it before I sold this. Do y'all know the reason? The reason is because I want more money for this car. I just got to take y'all to school sometimes. So that's why we want cheap cars. They sell way faster than the more expensive car. You feel me? If you don't feel me, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. I ain't tweaking. I ain't tripping on y'all. It's all good. But I think I'm going to just... I had messaged them back, but the dude who wrote that comment, but I think I'm going to just stop replying to those comments, because if y'all don't get it by now, you either must be new to the channel, or I feel you just want to see some good old content and have me buy stuff that I'm really not going to make too much money on, you know what I mean? 'Cause that's what's going to end up happening. Which one is this one? This mug is, oh, this is the older one. GLE 43. They tore that mug up. I like the newer truck, but this truck right here, I don't really like this body style. The mug is on the ground. Dang, that mug look like you want to crank up. Y'all think it'll crank up? Heck shit. That mug will crank up. We're gonna keep moving though. How many of y'all get on a helicopter? I am like terrified to get on those. To get on one of those. I'm straight. What is that? Is that a Lincoln? Oh, it's an Audi. Oh, look at this. It's Cadillac V. They tore it up though. Dang. This mug is tore up from the floor up. CTSV. Carbon. Is that carbon fiber? Two-tone seats. Dang. This is probably the only Cadillac that I would buy. Oh yeah, duh, the Escalade too. Dang. Okay, they don't want us to look inside. I want to look at the front. I like these wheels. These wheels be looking good on the what car they be putting those on? I know they put them on the GT sometimes, the G8 GT. They put them on that sometimes. All right, where's my other car at? Somewhere right here. So what is that? Number 2? Is that the third car we looked at? 2 cars? Oh, that's not it. No, not that Impala. Dang. Where's the other car? Must have passed it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. We got a Hyundai. Elantra. Somebody shooting at him in a launcher. This looks good. I don't got no power though, man. What the fuck, man? What the hell, dog? Yo, I wish I lived in a state that didn't have emissions and stuff, because I'll be buying a lot of stuff that did have no power. You know what I'm saying? Because it really wouldn't matter at that point. But like here, like if I buy a car right now that don't got no power and I drive it and the check engine light come on, I can't sell it. Like, unless they live in like a non-emissions county, then you can sell it. But yeah, I'm trying to give y'all little hints on why I do the stuff that I do, because a lot of people don't understand. But like if I was in freaking Cali, man, it's all game out there. Oklahoma, man, it's all game out there. South Carolina, man, it's all game out there. North Carolina, man, it's all game out there. Do whatever, bro. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. I know the dealers is out there is eating, boy. Here they make it so hard. They got all these goddamn rules and regulations. All right, we got 2 more cars to look at. Let's see what we got. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below. All right, we got a Honda. I mean, I said a Honda. I want to buy one of those so bad. We got a Benz. Looks like they were using this mug as a company car. E350. Looks like we got something just going on right here. Clean on the inside though. We got one with some power. Okay. I ain't never really seen this blue. It's pretty decent.
Recently the book that I was reading, not one of my books, a book that I possessed, which was deeply instructive to me.
Says low fuel. Okay, looks alright. Oh. Don't like the sound of that. Where's the power steering for this thing at? Oh my god. Oh, it's already leaking. I can smell it already. It's got a valve cover gasket leak. So you know what that means. I'm not looking for a job, man. I'm looking for something I can just flip, bro. I don't want to have to work on anything. Do y'all at least understand that or no? Do y'all at least understand that I don't want a job? Like, I just want a car. Put it like this. This is the best way I could put it to y'all. I told my homie this the other day. And I learned this like a long time ago from my partner. He say, if you can't, oh, what the hell? Man, vest falling off. He say, man, if I can't buy a car from the auction, take it down the street to the light and sell it for what I bought it for, I don't want the car. Feel me? Some of y'all might feel it, some of y'all might not. It's cool. Another Hyundai. This one got a couple of miles on it though. I don't even think it got power. Let's see. It's not the cleanest. Nope, it don't got power. Alright y'all, like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I ain't have much to look at today. Didn't even have to come here for real, but I still came. You never know what you'll find, but appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me on this video, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. I might even give y'all 2 today. Never know. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Peace.